All right, one more tip here that I want you to think about, and it's kind of a Clapton-y thing, but once again, we've got all these kind of blues guitar legends that are all borrowing and evolving from the same sources. So anyway, I'm going to stick in that A minor pentatonic scale again. But the lick this time that I want you to think about is a really nice repeating lick, which we like those a lot because we like to build motifs when we're soloing. And you can take any two notes, really anywhere in any scale, and do an idea like this. Or this. So I'm going to take kind of the most common one here, although they're all good. And what we're going to do is we're going to cover two strings with one finger. And for the A minor pentatonic here, this little thing I'm going to show you, I'm going to cover the 5th fret of the D and the G string. Then I'm going to hammer and really think of the tip of your ring finger on the hammer. Don't think of the flat part. You got to use the very tip so you're not blocking the other strings. So I'm covering the 5th fret of the D and the G string. And then I hammer down onto the D, onto the 7th fret of the D with one pick. And then I just go right next door and I hit that G string. Watch really slow. That was too slow. Sorry. And I actually like to do the up strum on that hammer-on, and then a down strum onto that G string. So the exact same thing you could do on covering the 5th fret of the high E and the B and hammer on that 8th fret of the B. And then when you're going up that run, you can cover your index finger on the 8th fret of the high E and the B, and then hammer on to the 10th fret of the B. So it's throwing it into like a rhythmic part too. So forth and so on. You can experiment with it. But the basic idea is, that hammer-on, covering a note. It's cool because you can play it faster than your right hand can pick, which is good because we're utilizing the hammer-on. All right, so throw all these different ideas together and see what you can do. And I will be here waiting.